How to improve your finances. You don't need a higher paying job or a big inheritance to make a difference. By managing your money better, you can reduce spending, save more, and achieve financial goals that might have seemed impossible before. Even if you're feeling stuck, these 7 tips can help you get back on track. Let's dive in. Tip number 1. Track your spending. First things first, you need to know where your money is going. If you don't track your spending, you might not realize how much you're spending on non-essential things like dining out, entertainment, or that daily coffee. Use a money management app like MoneyTrack to keep an eye on your expenses. Once you see where your money is going, you can start making better choices. Tip number 2. Create a realistic monthly budget. Based on your spending habits and income, set a budget that you can actually stick to. Don't aim for drastic changes that you can't maintain, like never eating out if you usually order takeout 4 times a week. Instead, create a budget that fits your lifestyle but also encourages better habits, such as cooking at home more often. This way, you're more likely to stick to it and see improvements. Tip number 3. Build up your savings. Start building an emergency fund for unexpected situations. Even if you can only save a little each month, it adds up over time and can save you from having to borrow money at high interest rates. Also, aim to save for the long term to protect yourself in case of job loss. Automatic contributions to your savings can help make this a habit. Tip number 4. Pay your bills on time. Paying your bills on time is crucial. It helps you avoid late fees and keeps your credit score healthy. A good credit score can lead to better interest rates on loans, saving you money in the long run. Plus, it ensures you're prioritizing essential expenses. Tip number 5. Cut back on recurring charges. Take a look at your subscriptions. Are you paying for services you rarely use? It's easy to forget about monthly charges for streaming services or apps. Review your expenses and cancel any subscriptions you don't need. This can free up some extra cash each month. Tip number 6. Save up for big purchases. While loans can be helpful for big purchases like a house or a car, it's often better to save up and pay cash for other significant expenses. Paying in cash means you avoid interest and debt. Plus, the money you save can earn interest in your bank account, which helps you reach your goals faster. Tip number 7. Start an investment strategy. Even small investments can grow over time. Check if your employer offers 401(k) matching, which is essentially free money. Consider opening a retirement or other investment account. Investing is a great way to make your money work for you and build wealth over time. Improving your finances starts with changing your habits. Some of these changes might be tough at first, but if you stick with them, you'll develop great money management skills that will benefit you for life. And in the meantime, you'll have more money in your pocket. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Watch more videos by clicking on this video right over here.